Ever find yourself struggling with minor inconveniences that seem to take up too much of your time? We're talking about those pesky little problems that crop up in our daily lives, the ones that seem small but can eat away at our precious minutes and hours. Things like tangled headphone wires, misplaced keys, or that stubborn zipper that just won't cooperate. It's the accumulation of these small hiccups that can cause our days to feel longer and more stressful. Well, stick around because we have some quick and easy solutions for you. Ready for some simple hacks that can make your everyday life a little easier? Let's dive right in. Tip 1. To keep your cables from tangling, use a binder clip to secure them at the edge of your desk. No more fishing for that elusive charging cord. Moving on to tip 2. Ever had a pesky sticker leave a sticky residue behind? Use a bit of hand sanitizer to rub it off. It's not just for your hands, folks. Tip 3. If you're tired of your earbuds constantly getting tangled, try using a sunglasses case to store them. Not only does it keep them tangle-free, but it also protects them from damage. Now, let's talk about tip 4. If your keyboard is acting up, turn it upside down and gently shake it to dislodge any stuck crumbs or dust. Remember, your keyboard needs love too. For our 5th tip, is your phone running out of juice? Switch it to airplane mode while charging. It'll power up much faster. Tip 6. If you're struggling to open a stubborn jar, try wrapping the lid with a rubber band for extra grip. Say goodbye to wrestling with those pesky lids. And finally, tip 7. To keep your cookies fresh and soft, store them with a slice of bread. The bread's moisture will keep your cookies from drying out. These are just a few of the countless tips and tricks out there to simplify and add a dash of fun to your everyday routines. Remember, it's the small changes that often make the biggest difference. So, why not give these hacks a try? And there you have it, quick and easy hacks to streamline your everyday life. Let's do a quick recap, shall we? This video highlighted some simple yet effective hacks to make your day-to-day life easier. We've talked about using binder clips for managing your cables, maximizing the use of your microwave beyond just heating food, and even repurposing a shoe rack for organizing more than just footwear. So with these tips and tricks, you can turn your daily struggles into a breeze. Stay tuned for more life hacks, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.